let's look at how to convert 15 whole number 2 over 5 to a binary number. Okay, so we're going to split this into two parts. We have the whole number part, which is 15, so we write 15 whole number separately, and then we have 2 over 5 separately. Okay, so we want to first of all convert the 15 to a binary first. So let's convert that. So we divide this repeatedly by 2. So 2 in 15, that is 7, remainder 1. We divide again, 2 in 7, that is 3, remainder 1. Then 2 in 3, that is 1, remainder 1. And 2 in 1, that is 0, remainder 1. It means the conversion of 15 to binary number is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that's amazing. So the next thing we're going to do is the conversion of the 2 over 5. So we're going to convert it 2 over 5 to binary. Okay, so we can approach this in two ways. We can solve it like this as a fraction, or we can convert it to decimal point first before converting it to binary. Okay, so I'm going to solve it as a fraction. So to do this, we're going to be multiplying by 2. Since we're converting to base 2, we'll be multiplying by 2. So we take the fraction 2 over 5 and we multiply by 2. So 2 over 5 times 2. So let's make the fraction, the 2 to look like a fraction, 2 over 1. Okay, so since nothing can cut out here, we can multiply numerator by numerator. 2 times 2, that is 4. 5 times 1, that is 5. So we have 4 over 5. Now look at the fraction. 4 over 5 is a proper fraction. How do you know that this is a proper fraction? The number that is on the numerator side, that means the number at the top, which is this 4, is actually less than the number below. Anytime the number at the top is less than the number below, that tells you that that fraction is a proper fraction. Okay, so number at the top is smaller to the number below. That is proper fraction. But if the number above is higher, is bigger than the number below, that is improper fraction. Okay, so anytime you obtain a proper fraction is going to have a whole number of 0. Like you writing it like this, 0, 4 over 5. So the 0 part there is the whole number part. So which, if you write 0, 4, 5, is the same thing as you writing 4 over 5. So the 0 there is the whole number, while the 4 over 5 is the fraction, which is the proper fraction. So now, if we want to write what will be left for our conversion, so we're going to write out this 0, which is the integer part or the whole number part. So we write this 0. Okay, great. So we take the 4 over 5 again, we multiply it by 2 again. So 4 over 5 times 2 over 1. Okay, so nothing can cut out, so we can multiply 4 times 2, that will give us 8. 5 times 1, that is 5. So here we have 8 over 5. So 8 over 5, let's look at it. 8 over 5, let's try to convert that, because 8 over 5 is an improper fraction, because the number above is bigger than the number below. So if this happens, this is an improper fraction. So we need to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. It's actually very easy. So just ask yourself, how many 5 can go in 8 with remainder? 5 can go in 8, that is 1 time. So we write the 1. Then remainder 3, so write the 3 here, then over 5. So it means we have one whole number, 3 over 5. So what we're going to do now, we're going to write down the whole number. That 1 is the whole number, or we call it the integer. So we write it down here. Then after this, we take only the fraction part, which is the 3 over 5. We take the 3 over 5. So 3 over 5. We multiply this by 2 again, so we can say 2 over 1. So 3 times 2, that is 6. So we have 6 over 5 times 1, that is 5. So we have 6 over 5. If you look at this fraction again, is an improper fraction. So if it's an improper fraction, we have to convert it to a mixed fraction. So to convert it, how many 5 can go in 6 with remainder? That is 1. Remainder 1, so we write that remainder here, then over what we use in dividing, which is 5. So what we have now is 1 whole number, 1 over 5. So because 1 is the whole number, the integer part, we write a 1 here. And then for the 1 over 5, we extract the fraction part, which is the 1 over 5. We multiply that again by 2. So 2 over 1. So we have 1 times 2, that is 2, over 5 times 1, that is 5. So we have 2 over 5 here. Okay, now look at this fraction. This fraction is a proper fraction because the number above is smaller to the number below. So if it's a proper fraction, that means it's going to have a whole number of 0. Okay, it's going to have a whole number of 0. So 0 whole number 2 over 5. So in this scenario now, we're going to write the 0 here. Okay, so 0 there. Good job. So we take the 2 over 5 again and we multiply by 2. 2 times 2, okay, 2 over 1, 2 times 2 will give us 4. So we have 4 over 5 times 1, which is 5. So we have 4 over 5 here. So 4 over 5 is also a proper fraction. So it will have a whole number of 0. So we take that 0 and we write it here. Amazing. Okay, so this process can continue repetitively. Okay, so to obtain some precisions. Okay, so let's try and end it here. So we have, what we have now is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we'll take it from the top down. Okay, so the final answer of what we have so far, so let's start from the conversion of 15, is 1, 1, 1, 1. So we're going to put decimal point, then we'll start from this 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So 1, 1, 0, 0 in base 2. That's amazing, right? Okay, well done.